Hei hi All India Radio Aizol ani chanchin thara achiar tu silin sang puya India chon COVID-19 vaccine mi available chasa za hne na apetling nai to a vaccine chakta ka pe kani theina na thok tu doctor nurse le midangte All India Radio chon zana chi baya buk chewa heti rwal hian ngai thatu te shrileng ala re lo wangin film khur chun somzel turin kan ngen chewa vaccine na kim lo te po la thoi turin kan ngen chewa midang po lave tura som turin kan ngen chewani sakhu hun puilo thleng tura hian mai tom na wa midang nailo kudle mai ti faite lo ngai poimo zelang cheu COVID-19 kan hwe shedu ne chon rampum huap helpline number bial pakhat pakhat pani pathum pakwa pasari pariat bial pali parukle pakhat bial pasari panga ba ka mizoram tan pakhat bial pani te hi biak po thereng ani e tuna chuan chanchin thalelung a thak chun zomang u tugena COVID-19 din mun hria tharbara ami sangkha jani somni pali nan kai ti mu chu ani Sri Lanka ra film khur takin Tuirial Assembly BL by election tana in both saina kalpuyani thu kolasip district election officer DC Dr. Esla Thanglenan asoi Union cabinet chon khopuiti masona tur amrut 2.0 chu kumsang ni somni panga somni parukheng apot sei Union Civil Aviation Ministry chuan ram chunga khwalzin thlona te chu tun thani som pare ta tangin thlona chunga chuang theizat bituk tolovin zin aphal to don Tugina COVID-19 din hun hria tharbera mi sangkha jani somni palinan kai ti mu chu ani a sample test zong zat sangre za sari somni pakhat jinga za som pali point bial pali an positive ani tundin huna shikai to zong zat hi noi khat sangre za sari somkua anni a singkua sangthum zakwa somthum pakua enkol daman ni to a enkol lai mek singkhat sangli zali samret pali omin mi zathum samruk pasirin thi pui to ani ZMC RT-PCR laboratory shikai zali samli pakwa mu chu ani a Truna laboratory za som parukan positive a rapid antigen test a shikai mu chu azaruk somli pani ani a FIA som pasari positive mu chu anom bok ani mishing sang khat zela COVID-19 shikai mu chu somko pakwa ani a mi noi khat zela COVID-19 na wanga nuna chan hi somthum pathum anga chut ani Nimin Khan Home Minister Pulal Cham Lianan Aizola Police Headquarters a Integrated Road Accident Database IRAD project chu Mizoram Mantan Hong IRAD project hi Mizoram Police Health and Family Welfare PWD Transport Department ne NIC te thunzomani a lir theiche solan omin IRAD mang hian chet solna alo thlen dan le a thlen chan te kim chang takin hriat thei ani dona hei hian kongpui himna turam hmalak na thazok asiam don ani Home Minister chuan Tundin huna Mizorama project hen khat CCTNS Crime and Criminal Tracking Networks and System 112 ERSS tekalpuyani a project liandang ICJS te NAFIS te po ataka man thei tur kalpui me kani ati IRAT sarkar lai pui Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in kalpui ani a hem mulak na hi poimo hle a Mizoram kongpui enkol tu PWD te point an chotang kaidon hle nia soin Home Minister chuan kongpui te po tun ain lirtheve wakta tan ahim chodon ani ati IRAT honna report pek dan chuan Mizoram IRAT man tran ni September ni sompanga atanga nimin thleng khan Mizoram chunga road accident case sompasari IRAT application a zelu to ani Kolasip District Election Officer Dr. H.L. Thanglenan Tuirial Assembly BL by election nei tura in both se na kalpui dan chungchanga nimin khan thuthala khom tu te akoma in thana fel fai bot se ani rualin shileng laka vote thak tu tele official te an himna turin ro mana siam zelani ati Dr. H.L. Thanglenan chuan Tuirial by election nei tura mipalin in thana chu tura ming an pek thule atulang angte endikani to thu soim voin chanudar thum thlang in hnudo na hun honani atia Kolasip District COVID-19 in kai chon dan po atlak niam mek thuta langin political party sang te point Shrilen lai ani angin vote anzon na te po SOP ding lai zom chunga film khur taka an campaign apoimo thua soi bokani public meeting ami om theizat ngai poimo te house to house campaign chungchanga zom tur tele social distancing ngai poimo turin political party tin te an nge na Public meeting bo chani chuan Mizoram People's Forum MPF te hriatir zel turani thua soi bokani vote thak to phun atanga chhiar le ta darkar somli pariat thleng campaign hun hon ni thin chu darkar somsari pania po se ni ta ka wangin political party tin te tan campaign hun atoi pha atia public meeting hun chung hi zandaruk le jingdar ko inkara kalpui lo turani thua soi bok ani Dr. H.L. Thanglena chuan in thania apa ngaya vote thak hun chu tadar nga thlenga ro man ani thule Darnga tanga darukin kar chu sabat sertele shikai vothak du te ta na ro manani thua soya polling station tina COVID-19 nodal officer te da vek ani thu soibok ani DO hian thuthalo khom tu te komzo hian General Observer Mohammed Ali Shihab Hovin counting hall le strong room in both saidan amhuna anindik ngal ani Nimin Khan National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited chuan Mizoram Sarkar hna ambulance paruk an pe a ambulance se hi NSIDCL Executive Director chuan Chief Minister Puzoram Thanga hna a hlan ani heng ambulance se hi man ngal thei tura thuam sa vek ni in Principal Director Health and Family Welfare Department hna tulanga man turin hlan chhon ngal ani heti lai hian UNICEF in ICMR kal tanga RT-PCR call aron pek chu District Hospital Champhaya man turin Nimin Khan Minister Puti Jelan and Tuanga Champhai South Bill to MLA chuan District Hospital ho tu te kota ahlana Minister chuan RT-PCR chu ani na tur ang taka bun fel turin khol mai pelama tule bozi turte om nualati a mithiam te ne khotang hruai tu te ne na in ron chunga lungrol taka malak kan zel angai ni ati Nimin ve Khan United Way of Bengaluru 10 CSR kaltanga COVID-19 dona man ruwa BiPAP ventilator somret pariat le consumables za somseri poruk Mizoram tana aron pek chu state le district hospital sang te amamo amila semturin State Planning Board Vice Chairman Puis Ram Moi chuan Health and Family Welfare Department kota ahlana Puis Ram Moi chuan Planning and Program Implementation Department and State Planning Board Vice Chairman ani na anga Central Sarkar le ramdanga changa chanpuna theite andap kola sathule tundin huna chuam Health and Family Welfare Department chu anpoi mo zia soin shipui dona tura mulak na ba ka National Digital Health Card Program po Mizoram kalpui ani ve thoi the nan chakzoka malaturin afui ani Kumin August ni somni paruka Lai Autonomous District Council LADC Sarkar ding lai Hausa pai thak ani nuwa Nimin Khan Longtai DC Dr. Andrew H. Vanal dikachuam tuithum harbel to MDC Puis Salmon sang chu Protem Chairman atan rin om thotiam tirin ala lut Protem Chairman langlu na HDC office chamber ni in Protem Chairman atan langlu tak Puis Salmon sang chon longtlaya All India Radio Palai zona changin Chairman thana nei turin LADC season ko thuai atum thuwa soi Lai Autonomous District Council a hian Kumin August somni Prokhan MNF Legislature Party pumang hunga chinza kai shuai chu pai thak ni in Kumin September ni Rukhan Paithar Bill to MDC MNF member Puvizir Sang chu Governor in Chief Executive Member tan poma September ni Riat Khan CM tan laglo ni in CM in Arwat Executive Member te po Governor in Pompuin laglu an vek to a LADC rural na kai shuai tur Chairman chu House than tur ni wangin session kova kai shuai tu turatan Puis Salmon sang hi Protem Chairman atan laglu anita ani chanchin thar hi All India Radio Aizol changa puan ani Union Cabinet chuan khopui ti masona tur Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Amrut 2.0 chu kumsang ni somni panga somni pro khenga pot sei Union Cabinet chuan khopui mi te tan tui thiang him hniang nar pek le faina konga malak chu ramin amo masa ani atia he thuthlung na hi Atma Nirbhar Bharat ti lotlena konga campaign na masa ani thule khopui tin te tui thiang him hniang nar taka pek le in dodel tham khopa rom hana siam ani tur thu tarlan ani Amrut Mission hi kumsang ni sompanga jun thla changa chanani a ramchung khopui zanga chengte tan tui her ho mai thei pek le thli song bolna tha siam sak ani thu tarlan ani a voin thangin chung ko ve ben sakhat le noi som tan tui thiang him pek to ni in thli song bolna po noi somret panga chuang siam to ani Union Civil Aviation Ministry chuan ramchunga khwalzin thona te chu tun thani som pare ta tangin thona chunga chuang theizat bituk om tolovin zina phal to don tuna ramchunga thona thodan zinmi te modan thirani nuwa hetuluk na hi siam ani a Union Ministry chuan airlines le airport nei tu te chu COVID-19 shileng la ka invene te khong taka zom turina phuta zinmi ten COVID appropriate behavior thataka anzom theinan malaturin atibok ani IAS officer Louis Amit Khare chu Prime Minister Narendra Modi advisor tharatan ruat ani appointment committee of the cabinet chuan pukhare ron hi apompui tho a kumni chung he nai chel dona pukhare hi tun nai khan Union Education Secretary ni na pensona hemi mai hian Union Information and Broadcasting a secretary na lo chel to bok ani chanchin thar serti topna na tang pui tukina COVID-19 din munche tharbera mi sangkhazani somni palin an kai ti mu chu ani Sri Lanka ra film khur dakin tuirel assembly bill by election atana in both chana kalpuyani thu Kolosip district election officer DC Dr. H. Lathanglena na soi Union Cabinet chon khopui ti ma sona tur Amrut 2.0 chu kumsang ni somni panga somni paru khlenga pot sei Union Civil Aviation Ministry chuan ram chung khwalzin thona te chu tun thani som pare da tangin thona chunga chuang theizat bituk om to lovin zin na phal to don chu te zong chu chanchin thar kan pon thei chu ani